me from Lambasa. So I would like to tell you guys, each and everyone, to watching the videos, so that you most welcome to our shop CK Bargain. And most of the people, they demand the shop will come in Lambasa. So now the CK Bargain is in Lambasa now. So make sure all the listeners most welcome to our shop and do shopping under the one roof. And I got plenty staffs. We took plenty staffs to work here in Lambasa. So Lambasa nowadays upgrading at the moment. So I would like to thank each and everyone, our listeners, our customers, our directors with us here. So I would like to thank very much. At the moment, 20 to 25 people.
Yeah, in
so
North.
that we can upgrade Lambasa North. We can upgrade the North. So people can come and see the varieties of the things here in under the one roof.